chains were not seen as being a strategic partner. You got that? You got that? There was a time when supply chains were not seen as being a strategic partner. Supply chains were relegated to a very unimportant transactional kind of function. All right, but over the years, we've seen companies grow to realize or to recognize the importance of supply chains. All right, so supply chains are now taking on a strategic role. When I say a strategic role, I'm really talking about aligning their objectives with that of the organization, right? Helping the organization manage waste, helping the organization manage cost, helping the organization achieve a sense of sustainability. All right, so I have a question here. Would that be how supply chain was? I don't. I'm not. Your quest. I'm not clear with your question. It's not being clear. Maybe you need to. I don't understand what you're writing there. You'll get back to me on that, right? But I'm just making the point that supply chains would have transitioned from the passive stage to the an integrative stage.